Most people open YouTube, scroll through a few shorts, and close the app without gaining anything. But what if every short video you watch could actually pay you? Real money! Today, I'm going to show you exactly how thousands of people are earning income simply by watching YouTube Shorts. And the crazy part? It works with your normal YouTube app. No downloads, no complicated setup. Just watch and earn. So here's how it works. Open your browser and go to realm6.com. This is the platform that activates the earning feature inside your YouTube account. On the homepage, you'll see a box where you can enter your YouTube channel ID or username. Type it in and click Start Earning. Next, the system will ask you to complete a quick verification. This is just to confirm that you're a real person, not a bot, and to keep the earnings program clean and secure. Once you finish that step, the earning feature gets added to your YouTube account automatically. Now open your YouTube app. Go to Settings, General, and you'll notice something new, an option called Earn from Shorts. Just toggle it on. The moment you activate it, your account starts tracking every short you watch, and you earn money for each one. There's no limit. Watch shorts every day, and your balance grows automatically. Once your earnings reach $300, you can withdraw your money instantly, either to PayPal or directly to your bank account. All you need to do is to watch the content you like, and you will get paid for that. How cool! So if you're ready to turn your scrolling time into actual income, go to realm6.com, activate your account, switch on Earn from Shorts, and start earning every time you watch a video. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online right now, and it's available to anyone. Give it a try, and thank me later.